Hello, friends. Uh, DevOps is also a culture, isn't it? And that cultural goal can be achieved with the help of the agile teams or a Scrum team that we talked about nowadays very frequently. A very good Scrum team or agile teams can only achieve a good DevOps implementations in any projects that you are engaged with, either it is application development, data engineering project, machine learning, or so on and so forth. So today I am going to discuss about how the Scrum team looks like, which is one of the very agile team to implement the DevOps in any of your projects. Essentially, in the Scrum team, there will be Scrum Master, who is also called a servant leader. His primary job is to executions, executions with the help of the team. His job is to achieve the artifacts, the deliverables that product owner set in the Scrum board. So Scrum Master essentially highly focus on the executions of the each activity that has been assigned for a particular durations for that particular Scrum teams. So once Scrum Master help us to executions, collaborate, setting the meetings with one another, setting with the meeting with business stakeholders, setting with internal teams, setting with the product owner, so on and so forth. Scrum Master team is ready to deliver the software. But more importantly, on top of the Scrum Master, there will be a product owner, which we also call a CEO of an organization, who is the whole of owner of the product. He essentially need to think in terms of the overall roadmap. He need to think overall collaborations, utilizations of the resources in for the particular goals that he wanted to achieve, and so on and so forth. The product owner role is to basically understand the overall roadmap, as I said earlier, but more importantly, understanding the business, understanding the challenges to implement that particular product, understand the internal external challenges in terms of the competitors that might be there for the same product to be delivered by other organization. How can we differentiate uh, the product that we are going to deliver? And he will basically break down the entire bigger product requirement into a smaller pieces, and he will have that vision in which period, what frequencies, and when the particular product enhancement or particular product requirement can be delivered incrementally. So product owner is the heart and soul of any Scrum team. Basically, his envisions is very important. His guidance is very important in terms of business wise, so that technical team can deliver the requirement as per the business goals. So better he understand the business requirement and give it to the technical teams, better the overall product will be. So product owner is another important role in the Scrum teams. And then, as I said earlier, Scrum Master, and then Scrum team. Scrum team is nothing but a cross-functional teams. Like it can be web developer, DevOps, data engineers, depending upon the project requirement. Their Scrum team will be consist of. So Scrum team job is to, irrespective of what technology background you are, it is essential that you should collaborate effectively, so that whatever contribution you can do for overall delivery of the product is very important. You may not be expert into some of the area. Of course, your area of expertise will be prominent, but if you can also collaborate with others and contribute for the delivery of that requirement, it is very essential, and it is also expected in the Scrum teams. There will be a lot of dependencies which the Scrum Master will resolve within the collaborations of the Scrum teams. The Scrum team expectation is basically a work very collaboratively, effectively, to deliver the product in time, and making sure that it is able to achieve the goal that product owner has envisions. So all in all, Scrum Master, product owner, and Scrum team. In Scrum team, as I said, it is a cross-functional engineers, but at the same time there will be one architect who will also help the technical directions or technical depth of the projects. His overall infrastructure design, overall DevOps architectures, overall deployment architecture is very essential for the team, because not all the team members will be seniors. Some of the members will be slightly junior, and technical, the architect will be the one who can basically help to overcome those technical challenges within the team and make the project delivery smoothly. All in all, Scrum Masters, Product Owner, Scrum Team, these are the three key important roles as far as Agile teams is concerned, or Scrum Team is concerned. And this particular team or this particular roles is very essential to implement the DevOps. And therefore, today everybody is focusing on the cross-functional teams. Everybody is focusing on the Product Owner and Scrum Masters. That is the regions that we all as a job seekers must focus in this area to become more relevant in the industries. Because organizations want to save money, and therefore they want somebody who is a bit agile teams, deliver, collaborate effectively, reduce the dependency each other without depending on so many noises, or without complaining. They collaborate themselves and deliver. If you can also be part of the Scrum Master, or you can be any kind of cross-functional engineering teams, that will be a great way to go ahead as far as your job journey is concerned. With this note, this is Nirpa Satri. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye-bye.